Guys, I have some fresh, clean neck bones right here. Now you So guys, we have some neck bones, right? So it only cost me $3.06 for the neck bones. But I want to show you guys how to wash neck bones and clean them. Because some people just open up the pack, rinse them off, and they think that is it. That's not it. Just the neck bone. So I'm just going to add me some lukewarm water in here. Just like so. And I'm going to go on here. And you know how you had that greasy feeling? Now some people use salt or lemon to rub on it. I'm from the old school. No, we don't need all of that, okay? We just need some water for right now. And all this gunk right here, and all this in between right here, I'm going to get this out because we want to make sure our neck bones are clean. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, is remove the gunk. So yeah, some people think that this is good, and I'm not here to judge how anyone cooks, because we all, you know, cook a certain type of way, right? So, but your girl just want to show you. Now you be careful with the knife, okay? Because you got to know how to do it. You could use a knife or a fork or anything like that to remove and clean it out. Now, I like to take what I call excess fat, and sometimes I'll clean the skin off it, right? So, like this one, you know, I pull that off, you know, and I go right in here and make sure I get all of that out of there. And that's how you're going to clean your neck bone, right? Now, that's just one step. Now, see this neck bone? You have pretty, I guess you can call it the membrane. Some people leave it on there. And by all means, leave it on there if it don't bother you. But I clean it just like you would clean a rib, right? And we take that off, okay? Just like that. I takes that off. Because it can be removed. It's a little tougher, but it can be removed. And you, like I say, you have to be careful with the tools that you use, okay? And that's what I do. I just wanted to show you guys how to remove it. I just want to make sure it's to my liking. And we're going to do this one. Now, I don't mean, if you like it, by all means, keep it on there. You know, keep it on there. But anyway, if you're new to this channel, like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. Yes, because I like to show you guys how to make just the simplest foods more delicious. You know, I cut all that fat off, as you guys can see. And I'm going to leave that alone. Okay. So I think I got it here. So I did all up. Yeah, did all. Oh, let me make sure I got this one. I have a container over here where I'm putting my meat at. And so as you can tell, you can see the dirty water. So guys, as you can tell, I am rinsing my neck bones. Now most people, like I said, use salt or lemon juice or just rubber lemon. I'm not doing any of that because I'm not looking for a lemon flavor, right? So like I say, you make sure you get all that grease and gunk off your neck bones. And make sure you get all that in between. Because when you notice when you're boiling them, you have like that nasty texture, right? We're not looking for that. Because I don't want that to mix into my greens, which is the next video behind this video, you guys. So like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let me know what your girl is doing on this channel. In case you did not know, this is the right way to clean neck bones, you guys. The right way to clean neck bones. Clean any pork. You know, you want to look for the fat. Any beef, pork, beef. Just clean meat in general, you know. Clean your meats. Because this is what we take in our bodies, right? You guys check out that water. That's nice and clean. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.